Okay guys, Chad once again with Johnson Smokers. Going to do a quick video of a 36-inch T-pit for everybody's information. First off, let's get the obvious stuff out of the way. This is a customer smoker here I'm using for the demonstration. The smokestacks are gone. No, really, the guy has a custom setup he's doing. We have internal dampers on these two pipes. He's going to run these pipes up through a roof or something. We do custom situations like that. Normally, go on my website, the stacks run up about 4 foot tall. They're 6-inch pipe. You can't see them, but it does come with normal, probably 4 foot long, 6-inch pipe stacks on the back. Back to the smoker though. 36-inch T-pit. This is 36-inch diameter material. This whole chamber, let's say it's close to 8 foot long here. Let's just call it an 8 foot main chamber. 36-inch firebox by about 30 inches tall. Counterweighted doors, normal stuff that we do on all of our pits. Flat strap seal doors, cool touch handles, roll handles. Let me go ahead and open this thing up. That's going to probably answer one good question for everybody about how heavy are the doors for our counterweight system. This is 36-inch diameter material. Anybody that has a smoker this size knows that the doors can be problematic if they're not counterweighted right. We try to do a good job on that so anybody can open up the smoker. The heaviest part is right here, but once you get it up to about this point, I'm literally just kind of bumping it right up there. So we got the counterweight system looking, works real nice on our smokers. Interior of this unit, you got being that it's a 36-inch diameter, you got 3 racks per door. They're 36-inch wide racks. They're all slide out. Pull out the top section on this side. Guys, basically on a smoker this size, the bottom rack and the middle rack, come on out with me. The bottom rack and the middle rack, you can do 6 to 8 briskets on each rack. So let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4 times 7, that'd be 28 to 30 briskets here. Then you've got room up on the top for more briskets or ribs. So this is a pretty massive smoker for cooking capacity. Racks are all slide out. Let me push them over. Heavy duty slides. Everything is built kind of to support itself. You put 8 briskets on here. You got a lot of weight. We want everything to be structurally sound for a long time. We don't want anything to be bent. It is a T-smoker. Go on my website. You can read right there how the T-smokers work. It is a baffled smoker. You do not have a hot spot right here in the middle. I get that question a lot. There's 2 baffle plates in the bottom of this smoker that transfer all of the heat to the right and left of the smoker. It'll wrap around, come in contact with your cooking racks, and then go out your stacks. They work very well for a small. I'm not going to call this a small footprint, but for the capacity that you have, it's a small footprint for pushing 50 square foot. This is almost a 50 square foot smoker sitting here. That is still maintaining a traditional wood burning pit. I'm going to shut the doors here one time. Notice, like I say, the weights of the doors is nice for just about anybody to use. You got 3 vents on your firebox, 2 on either side, 1 on the front. Self-tightening handle. If you can see the base in the video, we got a couple different bases. This is a base that's kind of a fixed base that you can bolt down to the concrete. We do the same base that has wheels on it to make this smoker mobile. If you're on concrete, you can roll it up and down. If you have a facility that you can do that on, so just let us know what base that you want. Other than that, like I say, flat strap seal doors, smooth wells. We do good quality work, plasma cut doors. We don't use a torch or anything like that. Everything fits nice and tight. Smokers, we have very good luck. If anybody's talked to me before, I'm going to do another video on what smoker would be best for you. But there are some major pros to the T-smokers. Let me grab the camera real quick. I'm going to take a little bit of a side view. Sorry about that. Let me go on this side with the sun. So there's really not much to show you as far as the back of the smoker. Going to just kind of walk around, kind of give you guys a feel for what we're looking at here. Drains on both sides. There's a grease trap down there, so when your heat and smoke comes in from the firebox, if you do obviously get grease that comes down from your racks, it's going to trap itself. It's not going to get get into your firebox. Anybody had a grease fire before knows you don't want to have one. Everything's set up nice. Smoker runs real good. It's a pretty good efficient smoker. 36-inch T-pit, pushing 50 square foot. My name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. Give us a call. We'll give you some more details. Thank you.